Your next car could be the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, keyless start, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.